Yeah, afternoon Insta fam. Just a quick video. A little unboxing of the Jordan MA2 SPs that I picked up the other day on the SNKRS app. One of the very rare W's that I have picked up in the last couple of weeks. But I like the vibe of the shoe, so I thought, you know what, I'd go ahead and grab it. And I can tell you from first look, these are a very beautiful pair of shoes. I really like the whole Air Max theme bubble in the back, and it's kind of, I would say, off-whitish in a way, kind of how they have the tags on the outside, and I have some of the kind of the exposed foam here on the tongue area and on the vamp, and of course the stitching and the material that they've used to seem to have exposed what looks like or feels like the liner underneath. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this shoe out of the box, and I'll take a closer look at it here in person. So anyway, like I said, pretty lightweight shoe. I have not tried it on, I have not put it on yet. I like the offset tongue hook in the back, and I said the stitching and the material usage is really pretty. Of course the exposed tag and the pull tag, and of course here again kind of the off-white tongue exposed unfinished look. Same thing down here on the vamp or on the toe area, that unfinished look. So overall they're a pretty nice pair of shoes. Again, lightweight, feel very comfortable. Midsole is a much nicer, softer material, but still sturdy. Haven't heard much about it from anyone else. Not sure if folks actually picked this up or picked this shoe up, or maybe they slept on it and they passed on it, but you know, I thought I'd give it a try. Pick up a W just to feel good about, you know, buying sneakers on the SNKRS app, because yes, the SNKRS app is a very cruel mistress. So anyway, this is staying in the collection. This is not being resold or just stored away. These are definitely a pair of shoes that I'm going to wear. So I'm going to hopefully break them out over the weekend, put them on, walk around for a couple of hours, try them out, and I'll snap some pics of that, and of course come back and show you, or actually provide you with an update here on Instagram. So anyway, stay tuned, stay safe as always, you know, keep loving each other, and of course the message is always to stay blessed. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.